So I think the best way that I can pay tribute to him is by sharing my thoughts, sharing my journey, helping other people see they are worthy of caring for themselves. You really do have to. You have to love yourself. Even if you're wanting to lose weight, it's really hard to do if you don't absolutely love yourself first. You have to love who you are right now with all your flaws. You have to love yourself. Otherwise, it's really hard to make sustainable changes. I'm super sad because I have an idea for a podcast, and I really wanted Dr. McDougall to be my first person to interview. I'm super passionate about people and their struggles, and the people that have overcome those struggles, because they are huge light for those of us still searching for ways to make things happen in our lives. And he was a man that, he found his calling and he went all for it. He followed his intuition, and he's a great example of that. Such a wake-up call to not procrastinate on the things you feel called to do. Maybe I can interview Mary, his wife, and Heather, his daughter. There was something about Dr. McDougall that made me think of my dad and my grandpa. I don't really know what it was. There was just something about him and the way he would say things and move in certain ways,